Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. I was reminded this morning about one of the sayings that Jim Rohn used to use about, could we have some more time? Well, there isn't any more time. There are only 12 hours in a day or 24 hours in a day, whichever way you look at it, and you can't get more time. Once it's gone, it's gone. And I was talking to someone a few days ago who talked about a business opportunity that they were chasing to try and create an income for themselves. And really the basics, I'm not going to mention any names, but the basics of the opportunity were he had to do an 11-hour driving trip, a round trip of 11 hours driving, to quote on a security system which cost the customer, or would cost the customer, £1,100. Now you think about £1,100, well, how much of that is cost and how much of that is profit? How much does it cost for someone to drive 11 hours, an 11-hour round trip to go and see if they can sell a system like that? Then obviously the cost of installation and an engineer going down to do the same 11-hour round trip to install it. Clearly nobody's going to make any money out of that. And here I am in a situation running a digital online marketing business where I can earn that amount of money in one sale. And that kind of got me thinking, and I really spoke to him and sort of said, really as a friend, really, maybe it's time to think about doing something else. And I've suggested that he looks at the same opportunity that I'm involved in, running an online business as an affiliate, so that actually you can earn commissions and a very nice income from marketing products from other companies that you believe in are worth investing in. Otherwise, there's no point in being an affiliate for those companies. And really he's now starting to say, well, yeah, perhaps I should be thinking about this opportunity and following you, because obviously you're being successful at doing it. I know you, I trust you, so maybe I should be looking at doing the same thing and avoiding getting involved in business opportunities where perhaps you're doing 11-hour driving trips, to be able to sell a system which clearly doesn't have enough profit in it to make anybody any money. So it's just a thought. I just thought I'd share that with you today. It's just an experience, and I speak as I find things very often, and that's just an opinion of mine. There aren't that many hours in the day. Let's not perhaps waste the time that we have. Let's make sure we apply it to doing the right things so that perhaps we can then generate the incomes that we're after. Anyway, if you'd like to know a bit more, visit my website at peterboulton.com. There you'll find my contact details. Reach out to me, let's have a discussion, because if you're looking to increase your income, and you'd like to be time efficient so you're not wasting your time perhaps chasing other things which aren't really giving you the return that you would like, then perhaps I can help you start on a new journey doing something that you enjoy that is also profitable for you. So there we go, visit my website at peterboulton.com. I'll put the website address in the bottom of this video, and just connect with me. Let's see if I can help you to have a brighter and better and more profitable future.